Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. So first of all, open up Google Docs. Now once you're in Google Documents, open up the document. Now once you are editing that document, you will see a plus icon at the top right here. Just click on it and in here scroll down and look for page number. Now in here select a style of how do you want the pages to be numbered, like the first style right here, the second style, third style, and the fourth style. I will go for, let's say, the first style. Just click on it and as you can see a page number has been added at the top right here. You can also adjust it. You can go, let's say this is the page number 2, you can do that as well. And if you have multiple pages, all the other pages will also be numbered. So that is how you can add numbers to Google Documents.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add numbers in Google Documents. So first of all, open up Google Documents. Now once you're at Google Docs, open up the document. I'm going to go for this one right here. Now while editing the document, click on Insert, scroll down here and look for Page Numbers and click on More options here. Now in here you will select the positioning of the page numbering, whether it will be made at the head of the page or at the foot of the page. You can also select between either showing the number of the first page or not. You can also adjust the starting number, the number from which the numbering will start, and after that click on apply. So as you guys can see, my document has been numbered, and if you have multiple pages, those will also be numbered. So that is how you can add numbers to your Google Documents.